Hi guys, Realme 9i launch date is yet to be revealed, but the phone is expected to arrive soon and we have exclusive renders that show off its complete design. As seen in the images, this is what the Realme 9i will look like. At the front, the device will feature a flat panel with a left-aligned cutout for the selfie camera. The volume up and down buttons will be on the left side of the device, while the right side will make room for the power button. The power button will also double as a side-mounted capacitive fingerprint scanner. This also means that the Realme 9i will likely come with an IPS panel. Moving on to the top, we see the device's microphone. The bottom of the frame is relatively busy with a 3.5mm headphone jack, primary microphone, speaker grill, and a USB Type-C charging port. That port will be used to charge a 5000 mAh battery, though details on charging speed are yet to be revealed. At the back, the Realme 9i will make room for a triple rear camera setup housed in a rectangular module. The camera module has a slightly different texture when compared with the remaining portion of the device's rear. It's not clear what the second and third cameras do, but the primary one supposedly has a 15-megapixel sensor. The rear appears to be made up of plastic. Last but not the least, we see the Realme logo at the bottom left portion of the device's rear. The phone will allegedly be powered by the Snapdragon 680 that was announced recently, a 6nm chipset with an LTE modem. That means no 5G on the cheapest 9 series phone. Also, the phone is said to come with Android 11 out of the box with Realme UI on top. Of course, the Realme 9i, alongside the Realme 9, 9 Pro and 9 Pro Plus are expected in the first 3 months of 2022. Rumors of the 9 Pro talk of a Snapdragon 870 and 120Hz display, which would make them much higher end than the members of the Realme 8 series. Thank you for watching, see you soon.